Find the value of a and b so that the polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 45 has x minus 1 and x plus 5 as its factors. So basically it is the other way of saying that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial and x plus 5 is a factor. And once we have got the value of a and b, we will put it back into the polynomial. We'll get that polynomial here, right? And once we have got that polynomial, they are asking us to factorize it. So we will factorize it in a normal way, right? So let's first of all find the value of a and b. How do we do that? So what are the factors? X minus 1. So when x minus 1, then what is x equal to? X is equal to 1. And another will be x plus 5. So it will be x is equal to minus 5. We know why, how and why we have to do that. Okay, then we will put the value of x is 1 in this particular polynomial and get the value, right? Let's see. So what is that? It will be 1 cube plus a times 1 square plus b times 1 minus 45, and that should give you 0. Why? Because this is a factor. So 1 plus a plus b minus 45 is 0. So it will give you a plus b. 1 minus 45 is minus 44. Minus 44, the goes other side become 44 only. This is the first equation that we have here. Second, divided by putting minus 5 here. So what will that be? Minus 5 the whole cube plus a into minus 5 square plus b into minus 5, and minus 45 should give you 0. So minus 125 plus 25a minus 5b minus 45 is 0 because it's a factor. So minus 125 and plus a minus 45 is how much? So 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 7, and 1 minus plus 25a minus 5b is equal to 0. Can I take 5 common in it? Yes. So if I take 5 common, what is left? 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20 minus plus 5a and minus b. I have taken 5 as common is equal to 0. We know that once it goes to the other side becomes 0 only. So we'll get what? 0 upon 5. So it is minus 34 plus 5a minus b is equal to 0. So 5a minus b is equal to 34. So this is the second equation has been found here. Solve these two equations simultaneously. So let's put it here. So what do we have? A plus b is equal to 44. When I solve it, what happens? Add the two equations. Minus b and plus will get cancelled. 6a is equal to 8 and 7. So a is equal to 78 by 6. Sorry, 13. So a is equal to 13. If I put the value of a in it, I will get the other one value here. So what is that? So what is the value of a in this one? I'll put it here. So 13 plus b is equal to 44. So b is equal to 44 minus 13, and that is equal to how much? 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 31. So what do we get b as? B is equal to 31. Okay, so we have got the value of a and b in it now. After this we have to substitute the value in it. So when we substitute the value in that, what do we get? See, it is here. Okay, I'm putting it here. So x cube plus, what is a? A is 13, so I'll put here 13x square plus bx. So what is b? B is 31x and minus 45. So this is the polynomial that we have now. We have to factorize this. How to factorize this? So what we can do in this case is we will divide it by the first factor, which is the first factor. Factor is x minus 1. And we also can divide the quotient that we have got by x plus 5, the second factor. We'll get the third one also. So let's do that. So we'll do it here. So write it here. X cube plus 13x plus 31x minus 45. And I'm dividing it by what? The first factor is x minus 1. So x minus 1. So it will be x square. It become x cube, right? And minus x square. Okay, it was 13x square. So it will become x square. This will become minus. This will become plus. Get cancel. So 13 and plus 1. 14x square plus 31x minus 45. Now again, how many times will it go? 14 times, right? 14x time. Oh, come on. So it will be 14x square and minus 14x. Am I right? So this will become minus. This will become plus. These will get cancelled here. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3 plus 1 is 4. X minus 45. Now how many times will it go? It will go 45 times. 45. So 45x minus 45. 45 into this and 45 into minus. So it is minus, this is plus, will get cancelled, and we get the remainder as 0 in it. Okay. So what are the question that we get here? So we can write it here. I'm writing it. I'm writing it here. X cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45 is equal to x minus 1 into what? X square plus 14x plus 45. Now I can split the middle term and factorize this part, right? Easily. The other way of getting the other factor is you can divide this also. You can divide this quotient by the other factor. What is that? You can divide x square plus 14x plus 45 and divide it by the other factor. Which is the other factor in it? The other factor is x plus 5 in it. You can see x plus 5. So see, you can divide it x plus 5. What do we get? So it will be x time, so x square plus 5x minus it will become 9x plus 45, and this will go how many times? 9 times. So 9x plus 45, and we get the remainder 0. So x plus 9. So we can directly write it as what? X plus 5 into x plus 9. After this we can write is equal to x minus 1 into the other factor is x plus 5 and x plus 9 that we had here. And we can also do it the other way, right? Okay, we can factorize this. So let's factorize this. So x minus 1 was already there. We can factorize it. Is 45 is 9 into 5, right? No, 15 into 3 is 45. So right here x square plus 15x and plus 1, okay, 15x, okay, is 14, right? So it will not be there as such. So 9x, 9 5s are 45, yeah, 9x, right, and plus 5x and plus 45. I have split the middle term 14 here in it, okay, 9 plus 5. So it will be x minus 1, this is already there here, and this will give you what? X common, right? X common, and x plus 9, and here 5 common, right? X plus 9. So what do we get? We get x minus 1 and x plus 9 and x plus 5. So we got the same thing here. Is that okay? We have got the same thing. That is, here is a factor, and the same thing over here also. Must have seen that we got it the same over here. So either way you can be able to factorize it and you will get the factors. And these are the factors of which number? These are the factors of this number here. Okay, fine. So factor of this one is this, x minus 1 into x plus 9 into x plus 5, same over here. You can do it in both the manners, and this is how we have to solve it. Okay.